Here's a new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It comes with great features you love: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, V8 engine, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather split bench seats. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments, massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Take it for a test drive today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Chevrolet Chesapeake, a MileOne company, is minutes off I-264 or I-664. Easy to get to from all of Hampton roads.